my side. And every time I call your name out just to find that you're already right here with me, never been alone. I can trust you with my heart, 'cause this I know. You are always faithful, you love me from the start. No matter what I'm facing, I will trust you with my heart. You are more than able to lead me through the dark. Your love is never failing, I will trust you with my heart. Whoa, I will trust you with my heart. There are days when I feel I need a friend, and then I hear your voice reminding me again that you're already right here with me, never been alone. I can trust you with my heart, 'cause this I know. You are always faithful, you love me from the start. No matter what I'm facing, I will trust you with my heart. You are more than able to lead me through the dark. Your love is never failing, I will trust you with my heart. Whoa, I will trust you with my heart. No matter what may come, no matter what I go through, God, you are never gonna fail me, I will trust you with my heart. No matter what may come, no matter what I go through, God, you are never gonna fail me, I will trust you with my heart. You are always faithful, you love me from the start. No matter what I'm facing, I will trust you with my heart. Yeah. You are more than able to lead me through the dark. Your love is never failing, I will trust you with my heart. Whoa, I will trust you with my heart. Whoa, I will trust you with my heart. Whoa, I will trust you with my heart.
Hey, John. Are you ready to play Hasbro's classic board game Mousetrap?
Oh. What are you doing, John?
Waiting for you.
Why?
Mousetrap.
That's right! Hasbro's classic board game Mousetrap. I've got it right here. What is this?
Cheese.
Cheese?
Uh-huh.
Why?
Mousetrap.
What are you doing leaving cheese out here, man? How many did you even put out here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6?
Mousetrap. Don't mind if I do. Oh, mousetrap.
Get over here!
Mousetrap! Mousetrap!
It's leaving cheese
Mousetrap!
outside. He's trapping me. Are you
Mousetrap!
kidding me? Trip on Mousetrap.
Mousetrap!
Get over here.
That's a mousetrap!
Stop.
That's a trap for a mouse!
Ah!
Mousetrap! Mousetrap!
Mousetrap.
Hello,
I'm
John.
And
I'm
Steven.
And
This
is
the
so
and
so
show.
pause.
Pause.
Okay, we have to explain what's happening here.
Right. This is the So-and-So Show.
Yeah, the show where we have fun
Laugh a lot.
and try to learn something new.
Especially something about God.
And today we're in the middle of a little competition.
Yes, sirree, Bob.
Yeah, it's John.
Usually people have competitions to see who can run the most laps or do the most push-ups or lift the most weight.
But we're trying to see which one of us can do the least.
I am totally gonna put in less effort than you.
Not a chance. Unpause.
It's
Time
for
the
underachiever.
championship.
The Underachiever Championship.
May the worst man win.
Indeed, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tiniest jump. On your mark, get set, go. 1 point, Steven.
Yes! What? No way. I want to see a replay. Oh, fair enough.
Most quiet scream. On your mark, get set, scream. 1 point, John.
Oh, come on! What? He's never quiet.
What are you talking about?
You're not.
Lightest feather blow.
I've been waiting for this one.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
On your mark, get set, blow.
Oh, come on.
Oh, I think, you're a whole 5 inches away. Oh, and I'm -2 inches.
2 points, John.
Boom! What's next?
Softest pillow hit.
You ready?
Yeah.
First dibs.
Okay. that's
beat
pretty
that.
soft.
Huh? Yeah.
Oh! 2 points, Steven.
Hey, that's my line.
Sorry.
Slowest soup slurp.
All right. Ooh, soup.
Steven wins.
Ha! I beat you.
I ran out of air.
Yeah, well, I didn't. Wow, I feel like I really didn't accomplish much at all.
Yeah, me neither. But you know what? Soup was good, though.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, I know something we could accomplish.
What?
It's Bible story time with Kellen. Woohoo!
Hey, fellas, what's up?
Slow soup slurping, Kellen.
And jumping as low as possible.
Steven won.
That's right.
Then congrats.
Sure.
So, today I want to share some wisdom written by the very wise King Solomon. You can find a lot of his thoughts in the book of Proverbs. It's made up of many ancient teachings that are still helpful today. Here's what he wrote. You people who don't want to work, think about the ant. Consider its ways and be wise. It has no commander, it has no leader or ruler, but it stores up its food in summer. It gathers its food at harvest time. Some translations of the Bible call the people who don't want to work sluggards. That's why some people call this proverb the ant and the sluggard. Sounds like a sitcom. Anyway, no, wait.
I wonder what's on the telly tonight. But the remote is way over there. Oh, I guess I gotta reach for it. Oh, this is way too much work. Oh, bother. Somebody's at the door. Guess I'm gonna have to get up and find out who it is. Oh, bother.
No worries, my dear friend Slug. I can let myself in. Poof!
Well, you just opened the door all by yourself. Oh, I got tired just thinking about it.
I just wanted to check in with you, Slug. Winter's almost here. Have you done any work?
Who needs work? It's too much work.
Well, me and the other ants have worked really hard and prepared more than enough. I'd be happy to share some of our food with you.
Just leave me alone. All this talk about work and it's making me work too hard, trying not to think about work. Oh, bother.
Okay, sir. Well, I'll see you in the spring.
The spring?
I hope.
The spring? Oh, bother!
Yeah, that was. The slug doesn't really do much, right? And the ant is the better example. And it's because the ant works hard to prepare for the winter and doesn't wait around for someone to tell him when it's time to work. And we all know it's better to work hard like the ant. But let's be honest, we all want to be like the slug. We just want to lie around avoiding hard work because work is hard, right? But there are so many benefits to working hard and trying your best.
That's right. For one thing, it just feels good to know that you've accomplished something.
True. And working hard now can save you some work later.
Plus, you can help other people when you work hard.
That's right. You can help me right now by handing me the remote.
Think about this. Work is something that God created us to do. He gave us hands and feet and creativity so that we can get things done. And when we work hard and when we do our best, it's a cool way to honor God.
So maybe slurping soup really slow is, I don't know, kind of a waste of time.
Yeah, probably. But don't get me wrong. Choosing to work hard doesn't mean you can't rest and have fun every once in a while. God created fun for us too.
Awesome. Thanks, Kellen.
You're welcome, man.
See you next time, Kellen.
Yep, bye.
You know, John, I think we learned a valuable lesson today.
I think we learned another rule for life. Work hard.
Good idea. Although we did spend most of the day working really hard at not working hard.
Yeah. Well, hey, you know what? Let's make up for it right now, working extra hard on this next part, okay?
Okay, go!
Reveal the question! That was a little too hard.
I know.
When have you had to work hard? I think I worked pretty hard on this show.
Yeah, I don't think people realize how much effort goes into making this show happen.
Yeah, but it's worth it.
I think so.
Yeah.
And I hope they do too.
Oh, yeah. Hey, you know what? It's your turn to answer. Talk about a time you had to work hard. Was it worth it?
And we'll be back here, hard at work, next week on The So-and-So Show!
Woo!
Ugh.